Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free awesome videos from our channel. And remember to hit the bell icon so you can receive similar types of these videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we're going to be seeing about bridal shoe designs. Today I'm going to be talking about what are the amazing colors to include your bridal shoes and what are the amazing designs and workings to include your bridal shoes. So without wasting any minute, let's get back into this amazing video. So friends, talking about what are the amazing colors to include your bridal shoes, you can try going on with the contrast color of your bridal dress to your bridal shoes. Or you can try going on with the bright royal colors such as royal, green, blue, pink, yellow, green, orange, red and purple, black or white. Now talking about the designs to include your bridal shoes, you can try going on with beautiful flower-based floral designs. Now talking about the workings, you can try going on with beautiful chunky workings, or you can try going on with pearl workings too. You can even try going on with net working on top of your shoes because they give you such a royal look. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. If so, remember to like to our channel and subscribe to our channel so you can purchase similar types of these bridal shoes by clicking the link below in the description box. Friends, you can buy these on Amazon and they're absolutely great and beautiful. So bye friends.